Even today, most students rely on PDF resumes. They look outdated, don't show real skills, and recruiters struggle to review them properly. Colleges also face a bigger problem. There is no centralized digital system to present student profiles professionally. Resumes are scattered, inconsistent, and hard to manage. Turn2Web solves this by giving every student a professional resume website. All resumes are centrally managed, college-branded, and recruiter-friendly. The cost, just 50 rupees per day for the entire college. Students get a modern professional presence, live updates anytime, better shortlisting chances, and a portfolio-ready resume that works beyond campus placements. All data is college-owned, white-label deployment, no resale, no external access, secure static hosting, and privacy-compliant by design. No per-student licensing. Pay only when resumes are published. Pricing is transparent and infrastructure-linked, and it's easily justifiable in NAAC and placement budgets. For a small college with 300 students, the yearly cost is around 21,000 rupees. For a typical college with 1,000 students, it's around 33,000 rupees per year. That's just 25 rupees to 70 rupees per student per year, less than the cost of printing a single resume. Turn2Web directly improves placements, strengthens college branding, and prepares students for a digital-first future.